Hello and welcome to another one of D's ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of polynomial graphing and a few terms associated with that concept. So, what is a polynomial? Well, this is a monomial expression with its coefficient, base, and exponent. And when you have more than one monomial expression added together in this form, in which the last term is a constant, then that's a polynomial. And typically we have a few terms that we need to know when dealing with polynomials. The first one is the degree. What is the degree? It's the highest power of the function if they're added, subtracted. If you've got groups of parentheses multiplied together, you add all their exponents to get the degree. And what can it tell you? Well, the degree can tell you can have up to that many zeros. And then the degree minus 1, I think my highlighter is a little too big. Degree minus 1 can tell you that you have that many turning points, up to that many turning points. Okay. Also, we can learn the end behavior. What is the end behavior? Well, we need to look at the degree. If it's even, okay, and the leading coefficient's positive, it's just like x squared. The ends go up and up. But if the even degree has a negative leading coefficient, it's like negative x squared, in which the ends go down and down. And then if the degree is odd, you look at the leading coefficient, and if it's positive, it's like x cubed that goes down then up. The middle stuff can do a bunch of, in between can go through the axis up and down, whatever. But at the very ends, and if it's odd and negative, the leading coefficient, then it's up first, then down. Next, what we can do is we can look at the x and y intercepts. Always set the opposite equal to 0 and solve. So y-intercept, you set x equal to 0. X-intercept set y equal to 0. The y-intercept has this basic form or look. The x-intercept looks like that. The number comes first. All right, so if you factor the equation fully, you typically have a bunch of things multiplied together that look like this, okay? When you set that equal to 0, you'll get the root. Well, the exponent that comes along with it is called its multiplicity. And if it's odd, you cross the axis at that point. Where are we? So both of these roots, this one here and that one right there, have odd powers of their parentheses, otherwise known as multiplicities, and therefore we cross at that 0 or root. If m is even, you just touch the axis at that point and you go back. Okay? So this is an even multiplicity. This is an even multiplicity. We came down, touch the axis, come back up. Go up, touch the axis because it's even, we come back down. All right? We'll be looking at these two examples here and graphing them. So check that out, but make sure you go through these rules, know what each thing can tell you, and from that you'll be able to paint a picture of the graph. Okay? We're looking at rough sketches again, not precise functions, but practice, practice, practice. Check out the example videos, and thank you and have a nice day.